What if I told you that duck farmers are throwing away hundreds of dollars every single month on feed they don't even need to buy? Not because they're bad farmers, because nobody told them the truth. There's a plant. It grows wild, it floats on water, it costs you absolutely nothing, and it can replace up to 40% of the expensive feed you're buying right now. And here's the part that's going to bother you. The feed stores know about it. They've always known. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this plan is, how to use it, and I'm going to answer one question that every duck farmer asks but never gets a straight answer to. Can you actually maintain healthy weight gain while cutting your feed cost nearly in half? Stay with me, because the answer is not what you expect. Let's start with the problem nobody wants to talk about honestly. Commercial duck feed is expensive, and it keeps getting more expensive. If you're raising even a small flock, let's say 20 to 30 ducks, you're probably spending anywhere between $80 and $150 every single month just on feed. Multiply that by a year. That's close to $1,800 gone every year just to keep your ducks eating. And the painful part, a huge chunk of what you're paying for is filler, bulk, ingredients that are doing the minimum job at maximum price. Now here's what I want you to think about before we go any further. Ducks in the wild don't eat pellets. They never have. They eat what's around them. Insects, plants, scraps, whatever floats in the water. And they grow. They gain weight. They thrive. So the real question isn't, how do I find cheaper feed? The real question is, why am I buying something expensive? To replace something that's already free? That shift in thinking is everything. And it's exactly what we're going to build on right now. Here's something that's going to sound almost too simple. The restaurant down your street, the school cafeteria, the grocery store, the market, they throw away usable food every single day. Vegetable trimmings, bread crusts, cooked rice, wilted greens, fruit peels. Most of it goes straight into a trash bag. But for your ducks, it's a meal. Ducks are not picky eaters. Their digestive systems are built to handle a wide variety of foods. Cooked grains, leafy greens, soft vegetables, all of it works. Now I need to be very clear here because this matters. Not everything is safe. Avoid anything heavily salted or seasoned. Avoid avocado. It's toxic to ducks. Avoid anything moldy or fermented to the point of spoiling. Avoid onions and garlic in large quantities. But plain vegetable scraps, carrot tops, lettuce leaves, cucumber ends, cooked corn, rice, oats, completely safe, nutritionally valuable, and completely free if you build the right relationships. Here's the practical move. Contact 2 or 3 local restaurants or market vendors. Tell them you raise ducks and you're looking for clean vegetable scraps. Most of them will be genuinely happy to have someone pick it up regularly. It saves them disposal. You set up a weekly pickup. You bring a clean container. They fill it. This alone, done consistently, can cut your feed volume by 15 to 20% without changing anything else about how you raise your ducks. But that's just the beginning. Because there's something even more powerful than kitchen scraps. Something that grows itself, duckweed. That's the name. Small word, massive impact. Duckweed, sometimes called water lentil, is a tiny floating aquatic plant. It looks like a thin green mat sitting on the surface of still water. You've probably seen it and never thought twice about it. But here's what makes it extraordinary. Duckweed contains between 35 and 45% protein by dry weight. For comparison, most commercial duck feed pellets are formulated around 16 to 20% protein. Duckweed nearly doubles that, naturally for free. It also contains essential amino acids, digestible fiber, and trace minerals. It grows in any still, shallow body of water. It doubles in mass every 24 to 48 hours under the right conditions. And ducks absolutely love it. They go for it naturally. It's instinctive for them. Now here's the practical setup. You don't need a pond. You don't need expensive equipment. You need a shallow container, a plastic tub, a repurposed livestock trough, even a large bucket. Fill with water and a small starter amount of duckweed. Place it in a location that gets a few hours of sunlight daily. Within a week, it will have multiplied significantly. You harvest a portion each day. You add it directly to your duck's feeding area. That's the entire system. At peak production, a well-managed duckweed setup can supply enough fresh plant matter to constitute 30 to 40% of your duck's daily intake. Combined with restaurant scraps, you are now replacing nearly half of what you were paying for, with zero recurring cost. But here's where most people make a critical mistake when they start using duckweed. And it's a mistake that actually slows down weight gain instead of improving it. More is not always better, and this is where people get it wrong. When farmers discover duckweed, a lot of them make the same move. They get excited, they throw massive amounts of it at their flock, and they expect miraculous results. What actually happens is, the ducks fill up on duckweed, eat less commercial feed, and end up deficient in certain nutrients because duckweed, as good as it is not a complete standalone diet. The sweet spot, the ratio backed by practical experience from farmers who've been doing this for years, is this. Duckweed and plant-based scraps together should make up no more than 35 to 40% of the total daily feed volume. The remaining 60 to 65% stays as your base commercial feed or grain mix. At this ratio, something interesting happens. The high protein content of duckweed actually boosts the efficiency of the commercial feed. Your ducks process everything better. Digestion improves. Weight gain maintains, and in many cases, modestly improves, because you've added variety and live nutrition to a diet that was previously monotonous pellets. Your ducks are more active, their feathers condition better, and you're spending significantly less money every single month. This is not a theory. Farmers raising ducks at small and medium scale have been running the system quietly for years. They're not advertising it. They have no reason to. Which brings me back to the question I opened with. Can you actually maintain healthy weight gain while cutting your feed costs nearly in half? Yes, you can. Not by finding a cheaper version of the same thing, but by understanding that the same thing was never the only option to begin with. Duckweed, restaurant vegetable scraps, a disciplined 40 to 60 ratio. That combination is how small-scale duck farmers quietly keep their operations profitable, while their neighbors keep complaining about feed prices going up. The information was always available. It just wasn't in the feed store's interest to hand it to you. Now you have it. So here's what I want to know. Have you ever tried feeding your ducks anything other than commercial feed? What happened? Because I have a feeling the comments on this one are going to be more useful than anything I just said.